Hey guys, it's R.V.C. here, and I'm back again with another video. Today, we're unboxing the Zeblaze Vibe 8 in black. This one's a rugged smartwatch, and on paper, the specs are wild. Let's get into it.
Okay, so here's the box. Clean, minimal packaging. Let's see what's inside. We've got the watch itself, a magnetic charging cable, and the manual and warranty card. Simple, no frills. Let's take a closer look at the watch. First impressions, this thing feels solid. The case is 316L stainless steel, measuring 49.2 by 49.2 by 13.6 millimeters. And it's built to survive. We're talking MIL STD 810H certified, plus 5 ATM and IP69K waterproofing. So rain, sweat, dust, this watch isn't afraid of any of it. On the front, we've got a sapphire lens, one of the toughest materials out there for scratch resistance, and 2 physical buttons on the side. The strap is silicone, flexible, breathable, with a stainless steel buckle. Now, let's talk about that screen, because this is where it gets impressive. A 1.43-inch AMOLED display, 466 by 466 resolution, and up to 1,000 nits of brightness. That's genuinely high-end for this category. Deep blacks, vivid colors, and it should be easy to read even outdoors in direct sunlight. So what's this watch actually packing? Let's run through it. There's a 5 LED biometric sensor for heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, and stress tracking. There's sleep stage analysis too, all synced through the Fit Cloud Pro app. It supports Bluetooth calling, so you can answer calls right from your wrist. There's a built-in LED flashlight, which is a nice touch for a rugged watch. And on top of all that, multiple sports modes for tracking your workouts. And then there's the battery. Rated for up to 60 days in power-saving mode. If that holds up in real use, that would be seriously impressive. So that's the unboxing, and a first look at the Zeblaze Vibe 8 in black. On paper, this watch is checking a lot of boxes. Tough build, bright display, long battery life claims. But specs are one thing, real-world performance is another. So I'm gonna actually wear this, test the battery, check the accuracy of the sensors, and put that durability to the test. Full review coming soon, so make sure you're subscribed for that. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.